Receding gums and the shocking truth. Is it even possible to reverse receding gums naturally? You might have seen information on the web or other videos claiming to restore receding gums naturally, but in some cases, this is not possible. Any type of gum disease or recession of gums is due to osteoporosis of the jawbone. Osteoporosis is a health condition that affects the bones, making them weaker, leading to destabilization of the surrounding structures. And since it can damage the jawbone, it will obviously have an effect on your oral health, including gum disease, periodontal disease, and even tooth loss. The main reasons behind the disease are deficiencies in calcium and vitamin D. These play crucial roles in bone development and keeping them strong. Start off by increasing your intake of these minerals. You can take supplements, but we recommend you utilize natural food sources as it can be absorbed faster by the body. Raw celery and vegetables are a good choice, and not to forget dairy products. They are high in calcium. A quick side note, you need the right amounts of magnesium or else your body will not be able to absorb the calcium. They are cofactors, meaning they need each other to carry out their function, which is the ability to be absorbed and used by the body. Some other important factors you need to address right now to help fix your receding gums are brushing technique. After doing some research, the most common issue found was improper brushing. People commonly use hard-bristled toothbrushes that can traumatize and push back the gums around the teeth. This, combined with the vertical rubbing of the teeth rather than the circular motion, will not be beneficial for you. Instead, get a soft-bristled toothbrush, or even better, an electric toothbrush, and point it upwards and brush with a circular motion. This will help stretch the gums up into the teeth rather than away from them. Get yourself up and running with the tips mentioned in the video, and you will be well on your way to recovering your gums. But there are more intrinsic steps that need to be followed each day to make your mouth fully healthy and free from any unsightly infections. We are giving away our free guide called the 5-Step Formula Oral Care Handbook. It teaches you the fundamentals of dental hygiene and provides a step-by-step routine that you can easily follow for maximum results. It's available at www.teethmastery101.com/guide. That's it for today. We hope you found this video useful. If you did, please, could you subscribe, share, and comment? See you later.